Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add shine effect in Photoshop. First, select the zoom tool and zoom in. Then, go to Layer, tap on New, and then select Layer. In the Mode box, select Color Dodge. Check the small checkbox that says Fill with Color Dodge Neutral Color. Next, select the brush tool and set the size to 100 pixels. Set hardness to 0%, opacity to 50%, flow to 50%. Then, white brush over the areas you want to add gloss and shine to. If you want to see the before and after, click the eye on and off beside this. Adjust the layer opacity to change the strength to 75%. And that's it! You have now successfully added a shine effect in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!